Welcome back to the Wolf Times. Today is 22nd August 2025, Friday. Today's big news is over 2,500 telecom towers knocked offline by torrential rains and flooding in Sindh. PTA confirms thousands of mobile and internet outages after heavy rains batter Karachi and other districts. Restoration efforts bring most services back online, while flood hit areas still face challenges. Continuous torrential rains across Sindh, particularly in Karachi, have paralyzed normal life, triggering urban flooding, traffic gridlocks, electricity breakdowns, and major disruptions in communication networks. The heavy downpour, which began earlier this week, inundated several low-lying neighborhoods including Sadr, Gulshan Iqbal, North Karachi, Korangi, Malair, and DHA, leaving roads submerged and making rescue and recovery efforts difficult. Residents have reported being trapped in flooded streets with cars stalled and houses partially inundated. The provincial disaster management authorities have already issued warnings of further rains while relief operations are underway in the worst hit areas. Amidst this situation, the Pakistan Telecommunication Authority confirmed that the torrential rains and flooding knocked offline over 2,500 telecom towers across Sindh. The outages severely impacted mobile networks, call services, and internet connectivity, leaving thousands of residents unable to communicate during a time of emergency. Officials explained that the outages were caused by a combination of widespread power failures, water damage to equipment, and access issues in flooded areas. Some telecom sites were submerged or cut off, preventing teams from reaching them immediately. Despite the challenges, PTA confirmed that restoration efforts began immediately. Within 24 hours, more than 1,800 towers were brought back online, allowing mobile and internet services to resume in most parts of Karachi. The regulator noted that the additional terms remain deployed in affected districts, working to bring the remaining towers back into service as soon as possible. Our teams are working round the clock in coordination with telecommunication operators and local administrations to ensure uninterrupted restoration. The priority is to reconnect people, especially in areas where communication is vital for rescue and relief work, senior PTA officials stated. To prevent prolonged outages in future, PTA has directed local authorities and power distribution companies to ensure stable electricity supply to telecom infrastructures, which is often the first to collapse during heavy rainfall. Emergency backup systems have also been deployed in some sites to ensure continuity of service despite power cuts. Outages have worsened the plight of residents already struggling with urban flooding, traffic blockages, and electricity breakdowns. Many Karachi residents took to social media to complain about being unable to reach loved ones during the height of storm. Internet-based services, including digital payments and ride-hailing apps, also faced temporary blackouts. Flooding in Karachi has once again raised the concerns about the city's drainage system and disaster preparedness, as key roads remained underwater for hours. Experts have warned that repeated rainfall disruptions could continue to strain essential services, including electricity and communications, unless long-term measures are taken. Officials assured that the situation is gradually normalizing, with most mobile and internet networks back online in Karachi. Though some interior districts of Sindh continue to face difficulties, recovery efforts are expected to continue until all 2,500 towers are fully restored. We're listening to the Wolf Times. For more updated news, subscribe our channel, like our video, and share this video. Visit our official website at @wolftimes.pk for more updated news.